The key fob not detected message on your Dodge Charger usually means a dead fob battery. Sometimes it points directly to a failing RF hub. Before you replace expensive modules, you need to test the signal. Here is how to fix this issue fast. First, verify the fob battery is actually good. Pop open the key fob using a flathead screwdriver and insert a fresh CR2032 battery. Place the fob directly against the start button and press it. If the car still refuses to start, the RF hub is likely the culprit. The radio frequency hub in a Dodge Charger is located behind the rear passenger seat. You have to pull down the rear seat back to access the rear deck trim. Remove the push pins holding the fabric liner to expose the module mounted to the metal frame. Disconnect the negative terminal on your main car battery in the trunk before touching the hub. This prevents electrical shorts and resets the entire system. Once the battery is completely disconnected, unplug the green and black wire harnesses from the bottom of the RF hub module. Remove the mounting bolt securing the RF hub using a 10mm socket. If you are swapping in a new module, bolt it into place and securely reconnect the wire harnesses. A new hub requires programming with a diagnostic scan tool to recognize your existing keys. Reconnect your main car battery and turn on the ignition using your scanner to initialize the new RF hub. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your original keys. Once programmed successfully, your fob will be detected instantly, and the engine will start without any dashboard errors.